I've never tried or heard of a rechargeable electric blanket before, so when Vofuoti Max reached out asking if I'd like to try one, I had to say yes. And this blanket comes shipped to your door with a nice travel case. Inside that, you have your instructions, a car charger, a USB to C charging cable, a 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery, and then your blanket. The outside of the blanket is made out of a sleeping bag type material, making it waterproof and windproof. It also has a button to adjust the heat settings. The other side of the blanket has a soft Sherpa liner that feels great wrapped around you. It also has a zipper pocket where you can plug in your power bank and tuck it away. Then you can push and hold the power button to turn it on, then push it again to cycle through the settings. Red is high, white is medium, and blue is low. It can last up to 5 hours on the lowest setting, and then 2 hours on the highest setting. The blanket also has buttons around the edges, as well as a zipper, so you can wear it like a shawl. It only has a heating element in one section of the back, but I kinda like that, because you can't feel the coils all the way through the blanket like you can with those standard heating blankets. Additionally, the windproof design on the back traps the heat in, and you'll stay warm for a while even after the battery dies. But the best thing about this blanket is the fact that I don't have to plug it into the wall. This means I can take it with me, making it perfect for camping and outdoors. But I'm also loving it around the house. I'll use it at my desk during those cold mornings. I can wrap it around my back like a shawl and still have access to my keyboard and mouse. Or I can wrap it around my legs and keep my feet warm. I just love how versatile this blanket is. It's been really cold here lately, so I've been taking this blanket with me from the desk, to the couch, and even outside. And if everything I've said isn't enough, you can even use your battery bank to charge your devices, even while using the heating function on your blanket. Can your blanket charge your phone? Yeah, I didn't think so. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed. If you'd like to get a nice rechargeable blanket as well, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go watch some TV, snuggled up in my new blanket. See ya.